Hey guys, I'm David.
And I'm Aaron.
And we are Adventures of David and Aaron. Alright guys, welcome aboard the beautiful Carnival Conquest out of Port Everglades, Florida. This is our official balcony stateroom tour. We are in stateroom 8312. So this is your view, which you're greeted with when you enter the room. To your right, you will have a sofa, a small table, 2 lamps, beautiful portrait work, a king-size bed. Hi guys, you have your mirror, your television. Actually, you have 2 mirrors and a vanity mirror over here, so where women can do their makeup. You have ample drawers with a hairdryer for clothing, t-shirts, socks, underwear. You have a center drawer. In here, you have your, let's see where it opens up at. Well, I know it opens up. Your refrigerator. There we go. So you have a refrigerator in there that you can put soft drinks, sodas, wine. And here we have your room safe. Let's check out bathroom. Your soaps and amenities. Pretty large shower. This shower is actually bigger than our last cruise that we were on. Toilet. Towels, a mirror. You do have a plug, it looks like, over in the right hand corner. So you have an extra plug. Nice vanity, nice sink. Extra, I guess, toiletries and things down below. So it's a pretty nice sized restroom. On the back of your stateroom door, you do have safety instructions for your muster station in the event of an evacuation. Closet number 1. And you can store things down there too also. Closet number 2 and your life preservers. And then a full-length mirror and some shelving. Luggage protector mat for the bed. This sofa does pull out if you have more than 2 people in your stateroom. Privacy please, that you can place on the outside of your door. Then you have the continental breakfast for room service. You have ample plugs. Always bring an extra power strip with you. So you have 1 plug here, you have a plug in the bathroom. We ordered some water for this journey. On the other side of the refrigerator, you have more shelves over here. There is a lot of shelving and storage places. On the sides of the bed, you have more ample storage. You have a light switch in the center of the bed to turn off your lights at nighttime. These lights are controlled here by the little switch. And then you have more storage here on the side. And then these do the overhead lights for the stateroom. So it's a very nice, spacious stateroom. I'm impressed by the size of the room. It's quite large. And then here also, that might do the outside. Now the most important part, guys, is the balcony. So you do have this window view, which I'll stand back. It's pretty nice. And it is raining today in Port Everglades. You have 2 chairs So yeah, it's a nice size balcony. It does come with a little table. You can sit out here and do your coffee. I'm wondering if that switch. I have a switch that I'm not sure what it goes to. And then this is the view of Port Everglades. And there's a cruise ship over there. I'm not sure what ship that is. But guys, I hope that you enjoyed this room tour aboard the Carnival Conquest. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment below if you've been on the Carnival Conquest. Give this video a like. Thank you for watching, guys, and remember, enjoy life, make it an adventure. Thanks, guys.